Baltimore's historic rowhouses are a defining feature of the city's neighborhoods. With their brick facades, tall windows, decorative lintels, and classic proportions, these homes carry character you simply can't replicate. For homeowners who want to preserve that charm while improving comfort and efficiency, custom window designs offer the perfect solution. Thoughtfully designed windows can transform a historic rowhouse, enhancing beauty, performance, and livability without sacrificing authenticity. Here's how custom window designs bring new life to Baltimore's iconic rowhouses. Preserving historic character while upgrading performance. One of the biggest concerns for rowhouse owners is maintaining architectural integrity. Off-the-shelf windows often disrupt original proportions or clash with historic details. Custom windows are designed to match the home, not the other way around. Custom solutions allow homeowners to match original window sizes and shapes, preserve traditional proportions and symmetry, respect period-appropriate styles at the same time. Modern materials and glass technology improve comfort and efficiency behind the scenes. Authentic grid patterns and detailing. Many Baltimore rowhouses feature distinctive window grids that define their historic look. Custom window designs can recreate these details with precision. Options include true divided light or simulated divided light grids, period-appropriate mountain patterns, custom spacing that mirrors original designs. These details ensure windows feel original to the home rather than like modern replacements. Frame materials that balance beauty and durability. Historic homes need materials that perform well without compromising aesthetics. Custom windows are available in materials that combine classic appearance with modern durability. Popular choices include wood interiors for authentic character, wood-clad or composite exteriors for weather resistance, high-quality vinyl profiles designed to mimic traditional lines. These materials protect against Baltimore's humidity and seasonal weather while maintaining a historic look. Energy efficiency without visual disruption. Older rowhouses often struggle with drafts, heat loss, and inconsistent temperatures. Custom window designs solve these problems discreetly. Energy-efficient upgrades include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to manage heat transfer, tight weather stripping and sealing. The result is improved comfort and lower energy bills, without altering the home's exterior appearance. Custom shapes for unique architectural features. Many Baltimore rowhouses feature arched windows, tall narrow openings, or decorative transoms. These unique elements often can't be addressed with standard window sizes. Custom windows allow homeowners to preserve arched and specialty window shapes, restore transoms above doors and windows, maintain visual balance across the facade. These custom touches highlight the craftsmanship that makes rowhouses special. Improved natural light for narrow floor plans. Rowhouses often have narrow layouts, making natural light especially valuable. Custom window designs can maximize light while respecting historic constraints. Design strategies include taller window profiles to capture more daylight, clearer, modern glass that improves light transmission, strategic placement that brightens interior spaces. Brighter interiors feel more open, comfortable, and inviting, an immediate improvement in daily living. Noise reduction for urban living. Baltimore's historic neighborhoods are vibrant and active, but urban noise can impact comfort. Custom windows with modern glazing help reduce sound transmission. Benefits include quieter interiors, improved sleep and relaxation, enhanced privacy. This upgrade makes historic homes more comfortable without changing their outward charm. Professional installation protects historic structures. Installing windows in historic rowhouses requires expertise. Professional installers understand how to work with older masonry, original framing, and delicate trim. Proper installation ensures structural integrity is preserved. Original materials or protected windows perform as intended long term. This step is essential for both performance and preservation. A thoughtful transformation for Baltimore rowhouses. Custom window designs allow Baltimore homeowners to honor the past while enjoying modern comfort. By preserving historic details, enhancing energy efficiency, improving light, and reducing noise, custom windows transform rowhouses from the inside out, without compromising their iconic character. For those who love their historic home but want it to live better, custom windows are a powerful upgrade that respects tradition while embracing modern living.